yung shape guys. Heart. Meron may uslit pero pancake yun guys. So, ayan yun guys. Yung may uslit ako yung kaon. Dami yung pa dahil. What was guys ng 5. Hindi siya perfect. At least, ang importante is yung taste. Yung shape, ano lang yun. Bonus na yan. First time kong ginawa ko yung hindi siya perfect. Sana na. Dadagdagan guys. Dagdag lang tayo ng dagdag. Finished product. Dumami na guys. Salamat. Adjusting period. First time. Importante yung taste.